loves watching movies on DVD, but we're not always at home to watch them. With Digital Copy, it's really easy to take our favorite Fox movies anywhere we go. It takes just a few minutes to transfer to your computer.
And then I can put it on my laptop, so I can go wherever I want. You can also put your movies on your iPod, so I can watch them whenever I want. At the beach, or on long car trips, or hanging out with friends. Fox DVDs with Digital Copy.
Simple.
Fast. Portable.
Sent to prison for a crime they didn't commit. These men promptly escaped from a maximum security facility. Today, still wanted by the government. They survive as soldiers for hire.
This is beyond nuts, boss. It gets better.
Now we're talking.
You miss me? 'Cause I miss you.
If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find them...
Sucks to be you, homie.
You look like you got a real bad attitude.
Maybe you can hire...
Plan comes together.
The A-Team.
What the hell is that? If you look out on the right-hand side of the aircraft, you'll notice that the right wing is on fire.
Are you sure you don't want me to walk you in?
Mom!
Okay.
Mom. Have a great day, sweetie pie! Let me just say for the record that middle school is the dumbest idea ever invented. This place is an intellectual wasteland. You got kids like me who haven't hit their growth spurt yet, mixed in with gorillas who have to shave twice a day.
Based on the best-selling book.
Don't talk to anyone, don't look at anyone, don't sit down.
So not happening.
Ah, who am I kidding? You'll be dead or homeschooled by the end of the year anyway. Thank you for those words of motivational wisdom.
20th Century Fox presents Greg.
I heard girls say that Bryce Anderson has a cute butt. A butt can't be cute. It's a butt. There's Bryce. Just be cool. Hey, Bryce. Yeah, hey, Bryce. Cute butt.
Rowley.
This one, we burned. It was a present from my mom. Well, then your mom is trying to get you killed.
Patty.
Make him mute! She's a girl. Where do I grab her?
Chirag.
Stop! You almost got the cheese ducked.
Fregley.
Want to see my secret freckle? It's got a hair in it.
Roderick.
Why did I tell you what happened if you ever went in my room again? I'm going to kill you.
Right!
Let go, baby hippo.
Manny. And Coach Malone.
You guys are going to be shirts, and you will be skins.
Why are we skins? He's just trying to make kids like us feel bad. What do you mean kids like us?
My name is Val Ian Button. What's yours?
One day I'll be rich and famous. But for now, I'm stuck in middle school with a bunch of morons.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
This is not a diary. It's a journal.
Marley and Me, the Terrible Twos. Get ready for the world's worst dog. In an all-new adventure with more fun, more mischief, and even more Marley. Marley and Me, the Terrible Twos, coming soon to Blu-ray and DVD. 5, 4, 3, 2, Space Gyms 2.
Blasting off.
No, 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 no!
The Space Chimps have a new member.
Mission Control! Houston! I blasted off!
And a new mission.
Hang in there, Comet. We'll get you down.
He's doomed, isn't he?
And this time, they're not monkeying around.
In, out. In, out.
I think you're both missing a link.
Get ready for the most earth-shattering,
The beasts here are very powerful.
high-flying, out-of-this world Space Chimps mission yet.
Say goodbye, Earth nerds.
Anybody understand him?
Space Chimps 2, Zartog Strikes Back.
Break it down now. Take it down.